Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to free up space on your Windows 10 PC. Let's dive in. How to free up space in Windows 10. Navigate to the left end of your taskbar and press the Start button. Select the Settings icon on the left side of the menu, which should open the Settings menu. Click on the System option located on the top left corner of the menu. Go ahead and select the Storage option, which should be located on the left menu. You should now be able to view your used and available storage space. Usually, the apps and features take up most of your space, so go ahead and click on it. Locate the Sort By option and select Size in the drop-down menu. This should rearrange the order in which your applications are shown to you, which should help you indicate which ones take up most of your storage. Have a look at the list and try to find the applications, video games that you don't use as much or at all. Once you've found one, go ahead and left-click on the application and click Uninstall. You're almost done, but in order to actually declutter your device, go back into the Storage menu and select the Temporary Files tab. Temporary files are usually unneeded clutter that builds up in your storage, including download files, system error memory dump files, and more. All you need to do is tick those that you want to get rid of and select Remove Files, and you are done. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.